How to block app ads on Android. So let's get started. First of all, if you receive or get any kind of advertisement from the application in your Android device, so first of all, open up the settings in your mobile device. And from here, go to apps. Here, scroll down a bit and there you'll find an option as special app access under general. Tap on that. And under this page, go to display over other apps. Here you have multiple apps. From here, what you have to do is if any display over other apps is allowed in any of your application, you have to simply disallow that. So here on the Facebook, the display over other application is allowed. So tap on Facebook. Now simply turn off this toggle and disallow that. Again, do similar with other as well. And once you have done that with all of your application, you will not be receiving any of the app ads on your Android. Now, if you receive any kind of app ads through your Google account, then what you have to do is open up the settings. From here, scroll down a bit and then go to Google. Here, tap on manage your Google account. Then go to data and privacy. Scroll down a bit and there under personalized ad, there is an option as my ad sender. Tap on that. Here all of your Google account information will be shown here. Now to turn off or to block any kind of app ads from your Google account, then at the top right corner there is an option as personalized ad. So you have to simply turn off that. So tap on that and there you get an option as turn off. Then tap on turn off and it says that it may take a while for this change to take effect. Then tap on got it. And with that, you have blocked the app ads in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.